how to buy the lucky dog token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure to take a look on their X account. They have a big community, as you can see here. Now, after that, how to be able to buy this token is by going to the explainer and find the token. If you don't have an account on the explainer, just go and make an account in it. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure that this token that it's under the base network. Now, I will use the Bitkit wallet to buy this token. Just go and click on copy the token address and go to your Bitkit wallet. Now, first of all, we need to add this token to our wallet. Now, after that, from here, select the base, the network base first. Now, after that, click on this little plus icon and now copy the token address from here to be able to find the right token. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on plus. Now, go back to your wallet to be able to find your token for here. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it and click on swap. Now switch it here. Now select here the token that you want to buy and make sure that token or crypto that you want to buy with. For example, USDT. Make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, enter how much you want to buy, and after a few seconds you will be able to see how much you will receive. As you can see now, after that, click on swap to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the lucky token, and you may notice this lock icon. This is mean that all the liquidity or total liquidity is locked. So this means that your investment in the safe place. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.